So today we'll see Scenario Manager in Excel. The use of Scenario Manager in Excel allows you to have a certain kind of inputs and outputs for a scenario and then lets you view different scenarios of outputs as inputs change. Let me demonstrate this by example. So we have here something called as budget for finance department. The sales and expenses of finance department are as follows. Profit is calculated as sales minus expense. Now if there were another department called marketing, you will have to write marketing here, input the numbers to get the profit value. If you wanted to view those values simultaneously, then I can just click on scenarios and click on marketing and see the numbers change here. This is because I have used Scenario Manager in Excel. Let me demonstrate this by showing you how to do it. So we'll close this file. Profit is calculated as sales minus expenses. Now what we have to do in the first step here is select this sales and expenses and profit tabs, go to formula and click on create from selection. You'll see a dialog box like this appear and remember to check left column. Click OK. Now go to formulas tab again. There will be a drop down menu button besides define names. Click on that. Click on apply names. So you'll see a dialog box appear like this. Click OK. So this cell has been renamed to sales minus expenses. Otherwise in normal Excel it is just D5 minus D6. But now as we have named this cell as sales and this cell as expenses, this is known as sales minus expenses. Now we have to create scenarios, right? So we'll have to go to file, options, go to customize ribbon. There's something called as data tab here. Click on this little plus sign, select the data tab and click on new group. So basically you're creating a scenario button here in the ribbon. So something like here scenario will appear here. So click on and rename them. So to make sure the button appears on the ribbon, we have to go to all commands here and you see the scenario thing that you have created here. Let's add it and click OK. So as soon as you come here, you can see the scenario button has come here. Now we have to create scenarios. So go to data tab and click on what if analysis. Click on scenario manager. Now there will be no scenarios because no scenarios existed. We have to create, so click add. Name the scenario as finance because we are creating this for finance department. And it will ask you here the changing cells. So these cells are what will be changing when you change the scenarios. So you want this cell to change, hold control, hit comma and hold control while selecting multiple cells. So I want sales and expenses to change. The profit will change by itself as it is a formula based, that is sales minus expense. So we don't have to click this here and click on OK. So it is asking me the value of sales, the expenses, and this D3 cell number is department name. We'll have to rename that. Click OK. So you see one scenario for finance is created here. So we click on close. Now as you want to create another scenario for marketing, go to tab where finance is written and write marketing instead. An imaginary sales figure for marketing as well the expenses. We'll rename this tab as department DEPT. Now we want to create another scenario, so we'll go to data tab again and go to what if analysis, go to scenario manager And now we want to add another scenario for marketing, so click on add, type marketing. The cells are selected as in the previous scenario and click on OK. Marketing, the sales value that we have entered and the expenses. Click on OK. Now you can easily change scenarios from here. Just navigate to the Data tab, click on Scenario button, and we have created two scenarios known as Finance and Marketing. You can click on Finance, it will show you the values of Finance. You can click on Marketing, it will show you the values of Marketing. Now you can create any number of scenarios here and you can just switch back and forth any number of times. You don't have to remember any values. Thank you for watching.